BOSCH Shovel. There's nothing better to kick off our countdown than a classic tool that's been totally reinvented. The BOSCH Shovel is a simple tool that'll transform this back-breaking task entirely. This futuristic shovel might look like what you'd use to harvest crops on a distant planet, but it will be remarkably easy to use. In the middle, the shovel has a secondary handle that can be locked into 16 different positions. This ensures a completely comfortable grip and will reduce the strain you will feel on your wrists and back by a huge amount. The shovel is available in a round and square point, and if you're looking to invest in one, prices start at around $76. Vento Rake. Gardening work is made much lighter when you can strap one tool to your back that'll take care of nearly every job. Introducing the Vento Rake, one of the most miraculous garden inventions we've seen yet. This is an incredibly smart buy, since it boasts 4 different functions: a vacuum, a rake, a blower, and a mulcher. The twin batteries provide 35 minutes of non-stop work at full load. And to manage your power output precisely, there are 6 different power levels to choose from. Whether you're facing branches or piles of leaves, it will be no match for the Vento Rake. You simply strap onto your shoulders, like a backpack. It only weighs a reasonable 17.6 pounds or 8 kilograms, and this includes the battery pack. The price for this multi-tool is $289, which is a considerable bargain, since most blowers alone cost well above this. Rigid SR24. Next up, we have a tool for the line locating professionals who want to make their jobs a bit easier. The Rigid SR24 is a cutting-edge line location that is specifically designed to locate electrical cables and subway pipes. This handy tool pairs with an Android or iOS app, and it offers the user cool features like real-time data, GPS coordinates, and depth. Viewing this on your tablet or smartphone will be next level. But to make things even better, it can even export the data to a Google-compatible file. It's fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, and its 12 hours of seamless operation is powered by 4 C-type batteries. The price on this machine is a bit steep though, coming in at $7,200. Bull Bar by Crescent. The Bull Bar packs a punch, and it's the pinnacle of demolition convenience thanks to the effort Crescent put into designing the perfect tool. The cleverly designed tool head is perfect for efficiency, removing boards and taking pallets apart, and it'll take the strain off of your shoulders. Special attention was given to ensure slip-free usage, and the nail puller is built in to ensure you aren't ever left searching. The nail puller can rotate a total of 180 degrees, so you can get the ideal working angle every time. It's so successful that everyone who invests in one can't stop raving. So this is your sign to invest in one for $97. ToughBuilt Scraper Utility Knife. ToughBuilt takes center stage with their new scraper utility knife, one of the coolest multi-tools on the cards. It's a combination between a scraper and a utility knife, and the switch between the two happens in only seconds and with a few simple finger movements. The tool has 5 different blades for cutting everything from cardboard, vinyl, plastic, and a range of other materials. When used as a scraper, the handy tool will make quick work of glue, putty, and more. Not only this, but the scraper will be effective on various surfaces including tile and glass. The back works as a paint can opener, and all this for only $20. Seems like a total steal. ITool C Canon 1K. cable laying no longer needs to be a daunting prospect thanks to the ITool C Canon 1K. This innovation was created with both utter convenience and impressive speed in mind. The design is compatible with both left and right-handed users, and since it weighs a meager 8.8 pounds or 4 kilograms, it won't cause any strain. The drill acts as a driving force for the tool, allowing it to pull cables at incredible speeds of 131 feet or 40 meters per minute, even when you have overhead work to do. The unique lever design is ideal, and thanks to the removable end plates, the reels can be changed out without any effort at all. All these remarkable features have a price tag of $1,420. Simpson Strong Tie Timber Drive. The Strong Tie Timber Drive is the newest invention from Simpson, and it's guaranteed to be a hit. In the world of structural fasteners, the Strong Tie is a total game changer. It allows for comfortable use when standing upright, and the adjustable countersinking depth is another plus. The tool works effortlessly with self-tapping screws that are up to 6.3 inches or 16 centimeters long. No training or certification is needed to operate this tool, and the incredibly precise fastener loading is the result of the patented mechanism. The quick drive adapter means that the tool is compatible with a range of screwdrivers, and you can say goodbye to aching shoulders, knees, and backs. The reduction in fatigue and effort you'll achieve when tackling huge fastening jobs is certainly worth the $900 price tag. AER Step. Hunters are about to find their new favorite tool in this incredibly useful self-tapping step from AER Step, a trusted name in hunting accessories. This practical step is perfect for when you're out in the wild and will help you get up and over the ground by effortlessly anchoring itself into the nearest tree trunk. Installation is as easy as can be with no tools required. Just grab the step and twist it into place with your hand. The 6-inch or 15-centimeter step area and self-tapping screw in point ensures unwavering stability in all conditions. Lastly, this step has an impressive weight capacity of 750 pounds or 340 kilograms and is available at an affordable price of just $4. The creators of this step also offer other useful hunting gear like umbrellas, ground blinds, and much more. Flur SI2. Next up is the Flur SI2, an invention definitely worth a mention. These acoustic imaging cameras are designed to find electrical discharges, faults, and leaks within buildings. The gadget streamlines vacuum and high-voltage electrical system inspections, and it makes this task up to 10 times quicker. The PD model is capable of detecting discharges, while the LD model is used to identify mechanical failures, like bearing problems. Gas leaks like ammonia, hydrogen, and methane can be detected as well, and both devices have an operational range of 656 feet or 200 meters. The manufacturer provides AI algorithms to support users in problem assembly, and there's a free online platform that helps the user organize data and visual reports. Each of these cost $18,000, but here's the golden tip. You can purchase the SI2 Pro model that combines these features for only $25,000. Leister Pen Weld. Now we focus on a plastic welding, and Leister has made the most impressive gadget yet. The pen weld is now available in 2 models that are both tailored for the best plastic welding results. The standard version is great, but the advanced version has great features like a backlight and other extras. They both maintain the same temperature range, between 140 and 1112 degrees Fahrenheit, or 60 and 600 degrees Celsius. Another perk that you can expect from both these models is their compactness, weighing under 1.1 pounds or 500 grams and working ideally in tight spaces. The standard pen weld has a price tag of $620, while the advanced one comes in at $878. Knacks. Knacks is known for having a knack for wood splitting, but in all seriousness, this amazing wood splitter will not leave you disappointed. The patented design ensures the splitter is compatible with logs, as long as 1.25 feet or 38 centimeters, and whether you need to cut through birch, aspen, spruce, or nearly any other kind of wood, it will be like cutting through butter. The gadget makes firewood prep much safer than traditional methods, and it's straightforward to assemble, only requiring 2 hex keys sized 0.5 and 0.74 inches, or 13 and 19 millimeters. The entire thing weighs a humble 13.2 pounds, or 6 kilograms, so it's easy to transport. This splitter will cost $212. Is it worth the investment to you? Twist 2.0 Rechargeable Screwdriver. There's no reason that your screwdriver can't also be a cool, innovative part of your toolbox, and the Twist 2.0 Rechargeable Screwdriver is exactly what you need. The electric screwdriver is completely cordless for your working convenience, and it's got a range of amazing features like rotating heads that can be fixed into 3 different positions, up to 45 degrees. The tool has a pending patent, and we can see why. The bright LED that's built in helps for visibility and button controls. Make any adjustments easy. For fast charging, the tool works with a USB Type-C connector. A set includes the cable, 2 bits, and the screwdriver itself for a very reasonable $30. HSS Higher Wallpaper Stripper. Thanks to the HSS Higher Wallpaper Stripper, getting old wallpaper off of your walls will no longer be a complete nightmare. This system will make you look like a complete professional. It takes just shy of 2 gallons, or 7.5 liters of water, and uses steam to get the job done. The steaming allows wallpaper to be removed without damaging the walls, even if they are plastered. With a full water reservoir, you'll be able to work for 90 minutes straight. King Combo 2.0. The King Combo 2.0 sounds like an invention that demands respect, and you wouldn't be wrong in assuming this. This new age ladder has a royal title, and it certainly lives up to the high expectations it sets. It only weighs 24 pounds or 11 kilograms, but it can support an incredibly impressive 330 pounds or 150 kilograms. The ladder offers 3 different modes, acting like an extension ladder, a step ladder, or a leaning ladder. This specific model is rated for heights of 9.8 feet or 3 meters, but there are others that have a higher reach. For a price of $465, you can have the coolest ladder on the block. Rive Stop. The question of what to do with formwork holes after it's been removed remains an important one, but thankfully Rive Stop is now an innovative and reliable solution. The Rive Stop is designed for effortless hole installation, and it works with elastic rivets that expand by as much as 50%. This means they'll fit snugly into any formwork hole. And it's so easy to use that one person alone can finish the job. In 1 hour, a whopping total of 420 rivets can be installed, totaling a mere few seconds per individual hole. These rivets are fire resistant, as well as waterproof for complete peace of mind. And for a set of 50 D27 size rivets, you'll need to pay a reasonable $172. Boxal Chainsaw. The Boxal Chainsaw is a unique take on the classic chainsaw, and it's been quite popular since the 1960s. The chainsaw is specifically designed to tackle demanding wood tasks, like precise angle and non-standard cuts. The chainsaw is fitted with a well-performing 59cc engine, and it's even got specialized guide bars that are compatible with a .37-inch or 9.5mm chain pitch. The handy chainsaw will also be well-suited for just normal log cutting on the ground. You wouldn't expect this as such, an old invention, but due to its popularity, spare parts are still readily available. Hilti Neuron PM50MG22 Multi-Line Laser. Hilti has been a trusted name for 83 years, and they have surprised us all once again with their new PM50MG22 multi-line laser. This advanced tool has proven to be up to 25% faster when it comes to jobs like self-leveling. The Neuron battery support of this tool is one of its best features, and it means that you'll be able to enjoy 24 hours of non-stop work. The tool has 2 vertical and 1 horizontal plane, and it's fitted with very highly enhanced diodes to provide perfect visibility. The maximum working distance of this laser is extended from 262 to 426 feet or 80 to 130 meters when using a laser receiver, and the accuracy is a hugely impressive 0.12 inches or 3 millimeters at 33 feet or 10 meters. To add this to your tool collection will cost you a total of $549. Barwalt Ultralight Knee Pads. Working on your knees feels like utter punishment after just a few minutes, and to make this work feasible and, more importantly, comfortable, Barwalt has designed the Ultralight knee pads. These knee pads reduce discomfort and knee strain for construction workers, mechanics, and anyone else working on their knees. They are even suited for roofing specialists thanks to their external texture. The knee pads have a total weight of 1.38 pounds or 624 grams to ensure they won't be adding unnecessary weight to your work uniform. And the upper part is smart and foldable, so you can wear them standing up too. The sturdy straps secure the knee pads to your knees, even over overalls and jeans. And once they're on, you'll forget you're wearing them. A pair of them costs a meager $24. Nemo Hole Cleaner. Cleaning tools come in all shapes and sizes, and if you're looking for one specifically for your boat, the Nemo Hole Cleaner is the answer. The tool is created to help clean the underside of your boat that's underwater. It has a battery that's able to deliver a solid 2 hours of work, and it securely attaches to the hull to make the job just a bit more hassle-free. The 11.81-inch or 30-centimeter brush is able to cut your normal cleaning time in half, and to make things better, it's incredibly versatile too. Nemo can be used to clean aquariums, pools, and many other water-based objects. The functions clearly outweigh the price at $1,470. Rive out. If you've been tasked with the daunting challenge of removing the formwork tubes from within a concrete structure, there is no better way to do it than by using Rive Out. With this device, even the most inexperienced worker can clear their way through 200 pieces every hour, spending no more than a few seconds on each hole. Since it leaves 0 plastic traces and keeps the tubes completely undamaged, reuse is basically guaranteed. Makita Cordless Caulking Gun. If you're a professional tradesman who's currently in the market for a reliable and hard-working caulking gun that can keep up with your demands, then the Makita DCG 180ZK cordless caulking gun might be worthy of your attention. Some of its most noteworthy features include an adjustable sealant flow rate for fine-tuning using both the regulator and the trigger, and a rubberized grip for comfortable handling at all times. It's also got a built-in job light and a smart carry case, and the anti-dripping function that kicks in whenever the trigger is released will ensure missing the last drop is a worry of the past. Moreover, it's light and easy to transport and work with at only 5.5 pounds or 2.3 kilograms in weight. It accepts cartridges, tubes, and powder sealants when it's reloading time, and the price of $266 is certainly justified. Work Sharp Ken Onion. It's now possible for you to experience why the Worksharp Ken Onion is one of the most renowned and beloved electric sharpeners for everything from axes to scissors. And once you do, you'll understand why it stands out above the rest. With speeds between 1,200 to 2,800 RPM, there's a perfect setting for every sharpening task, and it comes in a kit that includes 15 speed settings and 5 belts. Your precise serrated blades are safe from degradation when you use the Onion, and you can tweak the sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees to accommodate different tools. There's even a very handy swivel mechanism for when you need to work vertically or horizontally. For only $227, it's truly the best sharpening tool you can get your hands on. Boxal Ebat. Allow us to introduce you to what is arguably one of the smartest high-frequency electric converters available right now. The Boxal Ebat has a mission much simpler than its appearance suggests and has been created to help improve the density of concrete and the general quality of all your concrete work. It does this by being the first of its kind mobile converting machine with an integrated and high-functioning battery. This equates to vibrators that can be quickly connected to expel excess air from the concrete mix, resulting in a denser mix and a safer and more convenient user experience. There's a reinforced rubber protection structure added in for good measure. No moving parts for perfect simplicity. The tool also has a 15.9 amp battery with enough capacity for 2,225 cubic feet or 63 cubic meters, about 2 hours of continuous concrete work. You'll need to contact the manufacturer for pricing on this tool. Koken Wheel Nut Socket Set. Now let's move on to the Koken Impact Wheel Nut Socket Set, an innovative color-coded tool that comes in on a convenient kit. The said kit includes 4 thin-walled sockets, each with a color-coded insert for easy identification. It goes as follows: blue for 0.6 inches or 17 millimeters. Red for 0.7 inches or 19 millimeters, yellow for 0.8 inches or 21 millimeters, and white for 0.9 inches or 22 millimeters. The sockets are packed into a sturdy case, and each is covered with a plastic protector to shield the wheel from any damage. Each of the sockets are around 4.3 inches or 110 millimeters long, making them the ideal way to remove deep-set nuts that like to hide in tight spaces. You can buy the 4-piece set for $200. Convinced yet? Vever Pipe Blockage Detector Locators. How advanced would you expect a high-quality pipe blockage detector from a well-known brand like Vever to be? You'll probably want to stick around to find out, and it'll surely exceed your expectations. First off, the Vever detector has an impressive range and can identify blockages in metal pipes up to a depth of 6 inches or 15 centimeters. Alternatively, it can detect up to 15.7 inches or 40 centimeters deep in plastic pipes. And all you have to do is slide a 100-foot or 30-meter beacon cable into the pipe. You then move the cable forward and take out the scanner to find the blockage. The kit also comes with 8 spare beacons, and at $60, it's an unmissable investment. Tajima Chalkrite Sturdy. The Tajima Chalkrite marking tool has more than achieved all of the milestones to be classified as one of the best tools on the market. The creators decided to try and recreate the feeling of working with well-worn fishing gear, but encase their product in a resilient aluminum case. For added durability, the cord is even stored away in a braided sleeve. The tool cord has a length of 100 feet or 30 meters, and you can choose between 2 thicknesses of 0.02 inches or 0.5 millimeters and 0.04 inches or 1 millimeter. lighter. You can even upgrade to the metal-tipped version. This wear-resistant metal tip on the cap will increase durability, while the collapsible metal handle provides a comfortable grip. And finally, at a price of just $57, it's definitely giving you exceptional value for your money. Trotec T600. Finding a bunch of wires hidden beneath dense layers of concrete or brickwork is a pain, but the Trotec T600 microwave moisture meter comes to the rescue. Its sole purpose is to help locate and gauge the level of moisture levels in walls, whether you're dealing with dampness, leaks, or excess humidity. It can then even be used to detect and pinpoint where metal objects like hidden wires or fittings are. Moreover, it's completely unreactive to salts, and it can be used to an effective depth of 12 inches or 30 centimeters. This makes it much more versatile and ideal for use on older structures. The Trotec can also be paired with a multi-measure mobile app to help you share and keep track of your workflow, and to make the deal even sweeter, it features a highly user-friendly touchscreen display. It now stands out as a relatively affordable but very clever investment for only $276. Duca. How many different functions would you expect a really great tool to have? If your answer was a lot, then we think you might find the Duca and its 42 integrated attachments pretty impressive. This versatile tool is small yet powerful, and despite its weight of just 9 ounces or 260 grams, it can work for 60 minutes straight on a full battery. This tool can grind, engrave, cut, and clean various materials such as glass, metal, wood, and acrylic. It is customizable too, and you can change the RPMs from 10,000 to 28,000 depending on the task at hand. Plus, at just $59, it's very budget-friendly too. Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl. If you thought that a company like Klein Tools was going to make just another run-of-the-mill dust collector, you would have been sorely mistaken. The collapsible dust bowl is made from a clear material that lets you always see what's going on inside, and it makes the leveling process easier to control. With its completely collapsible design and 7.4 ounce or 209 gram weight, it is compact enough to easily store away after use too. The durable yet still pliable dual material bowl is purpose-built for circular saws, and it can accommodate blades up to 6.4 inches or 162 millimeters in diameter. It's tough enough to handle the daily grind without a doubt, and the price tag of only $20 is a huge bonus. Ibenstock Core Drill. We're now introducing the Ibenstock Core Drill, a diamond core drill that'll certainly stand out above the rest. It's tough enough to drill through tough materials like natural stone, reinforced concrete, and more. The drill is fitted with a durable 2 horsepower or 1.5 kilowatt motor and a range of compatible drill bits, ranging from 6 to 68 millimeters in size. It's possible to attach a drill rig and control the water supply control with a single switch to ensure complete peace of mind and no overheating or overcurrent issues. The manufacturers included cleverly designed safeguards. The tool is quite lightweight at 7.9 pounds or 3.6 kilograms. And the price might surprise you at $936. Hilti Neuron NRC 622. Next up on our selection is the Hilti Neuron NRC 622, a rebar cutter with a great performance and a host of high-end features. Forget the usual routine of swapping batteries because it's capable of delivering up to 122 clean cuts per charge. On top of that, you can use any Neuron battery when yours runs out, and these batteries also have a longer lifespan than your average 18 or 20 volt options. The device has been designed for flush, burr-free cuts on rebar up to 1 inch or 25 millimeters millimeters in diameter, and it even has a handy 3-position side handle. The blade is hidden away in a protective cover, and the blades are laser cut, wear and heat resistant to reduce flare-ups and sparks. Considering all these features, the price of $730 is definitely worth it. Milwaukee Sliding Compound Miter Saw. This Milwaukee Sliding Compound Miter Saw will power through nearly 400 of the cleanest and most precise cuts with its 10-inch or 254mm blade and exceptionally long-lasting battery. Not only will this saw be able to cut through just about anything, but safety and performance has been ingrained into its design. The built-in Smart Redling Plus system ensures protection against overload and overheating too. This miter saw is ideal for when you're working on trims like crown molding and baseboards, and it offers working angles of up to 48 degrees to the right and left. The saw also includes an indication of the cutting line, and when it comes to vertical capacity, it can easily handle up to 5.7 inches or 146 millimeters from the baseboard to stop. But now we have to mention the price, which currently stands at around $760. But considering its features and performance, it's not really all that excessive. JessM Pocket Mill Pro. If you were tasked with selling a product like the JessM Pocket Mill Pro, one of the first things that you would mention is probably that it's one of the most user-friendly and practical tools with capabilities that will benefit both beginner and pro-level carpenters, the latter of which will surely appreciate its many time-saving features and consistently high performance. It pairs with a standard drill to create ultra-precise grooves, and it has a patented system that independently lowers the cutting depth by 0.05 inches or 1.2 millimeters with each pass. The Pocket Mill Pro also has an investment-worthy price tag of $250. TT3 Tower Lamp. Everyone needs a good light source, probably almost all of the time. If you gave one of these TT3 tower lamps from the creative geniuses at ToughBuilt a chance, you would certainly not regret it. This tool claims to be so much more than just a light, and it is a fantastic addition to your home, office, or even on your camping trips. With its compact 2.4 pound or 1.1 kilogram weight, it's incredibly easy to carry with you wherever you go. You also don't have to worry about frequent recharging because its 5,200 milliamp hour battery keeps it shining for up to 15 hours. You can fine-tune the brightness levels to your liking with adjustable color temperatures, and it's affordable at only $39. If you need to, you have the option to add a telescopic stand for $79 as well. Upcart Hero. There's a reason the name of this next product bears ode to a champion, because the Upcart Hero is the next step in the evolution of load-carrying devices. Designed especially for use on all terrains, this 6-wheel handcart takes on all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. It can help you get your goods up the stairs, across the lawn, or even up a hill. Using it as simple as unfolding it, it's ready out of the box without any assembly needed. Users should just be mindful of the 140 pounds or 64 kilogram max weight limit. The Upcart Hero also comes with a very handy lifetime warranty and will set you back only $70. Laser Tools Inline Air Hammer Extractor. Getting to repair shop tools, we have to mention the Laser Tools Inline Air Hammer Extractor. This handy gadget is specifically made for the removal of diesel engine fuel injectors, and it's guaranteed to both simplify and speed up the process. The tool aligns with the component being removed flawlessly, and it offers an impressive 4,500 blows per minute. It's able to transmit shock and vibration much more effectively than any other methods, ensuring cleaner removal every time. The pneumatic hammer also has a pull function, and it works with the BOSCH, CR, Denso M20, and Siemens M25 and M27 diesel injectors. The working pressure this tool operates at is 89.9 psi or 6.2 bar. And the price comes in at an even $500. Bevel and miter box. Thanks to Wolfcraft, beveling and mitering have never been and probably will never be as easy as it is with their ingeniously designed bevel and miter box. With it in hand, you can work on surfaces like moldings and baseboards with the highest level of precision physically attainable. Based on your chosen model, it can handle baseboards with maximum heights of 2.7 inches or 70 millimeters and 3.9 inches or 100 millimeters. Once you've set the angle gauge, all that's left is to just insert and cut. And you also get the freedom to measure angles from 85 to 180 degrees. The best news of all, you only have to spend $36. Grizzly T32459 2x42-inch knife-making belt sander grinder. Listen up. Grizzly Industrial Products is offering this next incredible high-value belt sharpening machine, the T32459. But not only does this clever contraption strike a perfect balance between size and performance with its 42-pound or 19-kilogram weight and 0.75 horsepower or 0.55 kilowatt motor, but it is also very functional and versatile. It offers tape position flexibility from 0 to 90 degrees, as well as the ability to operate on a standard 110-volt household outlet, so you can just plug it in like any other household appliance and enjoy impressive convenience. Also, despite its small size, it can propel the belt up to 4,200 feet or 1,280 meters per minute. The special graphite-coated roller is designed to stop the annoying side effects of extended use like overheating and blade discoloration. For less than $300, $299 to be exact, it can be yours. Hammelman MasterJet. The next time you're faced with the task of having to repair or take care of concrete surfaces, whether it is a driveway or a sidewalk, the Hammelman MasterJet will make every step of the job a whole lot simpler. Regardless of whether the job is to degrease, dedust, scrape, or roughen, it's incredibly efficient with its 46,412 psi or 3,200 bar of pressure and fluid flow rates of up to 16 gallons or 60 liters per minute. The MasterJet manages to combine high energy efficiency with optimal flow. It even has a simple 3-speed adjustment. You can choose between several different versions and get up to 10 nozzles, each with reduced vibration technology. This rotor jet also boasts patented sealing technology and only weighs a measly 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram. The pricing information can be requested from the manufacturers. Corghi ClampOnTyre. Any mechanic worth his salt knows that failing to properly adjust a wheel's camber could lead to some serious issues down the line. The Corghi company has created a tool that can streamline the process of assessing and fine-tuning camber. It does this very well by using a unique synchronous opening and closing mechanism that keeps the central pin aligned with the wheel center. What's more, special rollers integrated inside the jaws will help make setting it up incredibly easy. All in all, the Corghi ClampOnTyre will help simplify daily workshop activities more than just about any other similar tool on the market right now. These new age tools will certainly revolutionize the job, but don't miss out on our next countdown either.